Hello students. In today's video, let's see how to prepare for machine learning security risks. What are machine learning security risk factors? Machine learning is a fast expanding field with the potential to completely transform a wide range of sectors, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. Nonetheless, security issues must be handled as with any new technology. This video will go through some of the major dangers connected to ML and offer solutions for risk reduction. Machine learning security risks. Let's first go over the many kinds of machine learning security concerns you can run across so that we are better equipped to deal with them. For that, we first need to understand that what are the types of machine learning security risks. If we go deeper, there are several types of machine learning security risks. Those are included next. 1. Model inversion, where an attacker uses a trained model to infer sensitive information about the training data. 2. Poisoning, where an attacker manipulates the training data to cause the model to make incorrect predictions. 3. Adversarial examples, where an attacker creates inputs designed to cause the model to make errors. 4. Model stealing, where an attacker acquires a copy of a trained model and uses it for unauthorized purposes. 5. Data privacy, where sensitive information in the training data is exposed or leaked. 6. Explainability. A lack of transparency in the model's decision-making process can lead to mistrust and accountability. 7. Bias, where the model's training data contains bias, leading to unfair or discriminatory decisions. The potential for data leaks is one of the biggest dangers posed by ML. Large volumes of data are used to train ML models, and if this data is protected appropriately, it can prevent getting into the wrong hands. Sensitive information, including personal or financial data, could become public as a result of this. To reduce this risk, organizations must protect the data used to train ML models. This entails putting in place suitable access limits, encryption, and frequent backups. Organizations should also conduct routine system audits to make sure that no data is accessed or utilized without permission. Classifier bias is a potential danger of machine learning. Because machine learning models are only as good as the data they are trained on, biased data will result in biased models. This could result in unfair judgments, including denying loans or job chances to groups of people. Organizations must make sure that their data is representative of the people they are seeking to serve to reduce this risk. This involves keeping a close eye on the data used to train models and adjusting as needed. To ensure that models are not biased, businesses should think about utilizing strategies like fairness-aware machine learning. Model poisoning is a potential third concern connected to ML. This happens when an attacker willfully changes the data used to train a model in order to influence its behavior. An attacker could, for instance, provide a model with bogus information to cause inaccurate predictions. Organizations must take precautions to guarantee that the data used to train models is reliable and legitimate in order to reduce this risk. This entails putting in place suitable procedures for data validation and verification and routinely checking the data used to train models for any indications of manipulation. Organizations should also think about testing their models' resistance to poisoning attacks using strategies like adversarial machine learning. The possibility of model theft is another danger posed by ML. This happens when an attacker obtains a model and either sells it to a third party or utilizes it to make predictions. Organizations should use model encryption and watermarking to safeguard their models in order to reduce this risk. Also, enterprises should think about utilizing strategies like differential privacy to prevent reverse engineering of the data used to train models. Organizations must take regulatory risks related to ML into account in addition to these technical issues. Organizations must make sure they abide by the laws of the many nations whose laws and regulations regulate data and ML models. This involves making sure that private information is safeguarded and that discriminatory decision-making does not involve the use of models. To make sure they comply with all applicable rules and regulations, organizations should cooperate with legal and compliance teams. Now, let's see how we can prepare for risks. There are several ways to prepare for risks in machine learning. 1. Data quality. Ensure that your data is accurate, complete, and unbiased before using it to train your model. 2. Data validation. Use techniques like cross-validation to ensure that your model is not overfitting or underfitting your data. 3. Regularization. Use techniques like L1 and L2 to ensure your model is manageable and fits your data. 4. Model auditing. Regularly audit your model to ensure that it performs as expected and does not introduce any unintended biases. 5. Monitor performance. Monitor your model's performance in production and be prepared to act if it starts to perform poorly. 6. Human oversight. Have human oversight of the model to explain the decision and correct it if necessary. 7. Test and validate on unseen data. Test the model on unseen data to ensure that it generalizes well and is not overfitting. 8. Continuously retrain the model. Retraining the model regularly with new data to improve its performance and keep it up to date with the latest trends. 9. System verification. It must always be put into place so that anyone using the system can verify the information and ensure it is accurate or look for vulnerabilities that might be exploited. So, what is the conclusion? In conclusion, ML is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. However, organizations must be aware of the security risks associated with ML and take steps to mitigate these risks. This includes securing the data used to train models, ensuring that models are not biased, protecting models from poisoning, stealing, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations. By taking these steps, organizations can ensure that they can take full advantage of the benefits of ML while minimizing the risks. So, that was all in this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching more video by subscribing to our channel.